Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Quanchua's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm welcome to you. Yes, friends, today we are going to be making this delicious homemade chicken salad. This promises to compete with your favorite deli chicken salad for sure. Come along and let's do this. So I have here 3 pieces of chicken breast and I'm going to be poaching it. So I have them in the pot now. I'm just going to add water. You just want to cover this all the way with water. And I'm going to put some aromatics in here as well. So I have some bay leaves. I have 1 shallot cut up into 2, some peppercorns, some parsley, and now I'm going to add some salt to this. So cover this and bring to a boil. You want to cook this for about 15 to 18 minutes on medium to low heat. It smells amazing. You would wonder how something so simple with all very few ingredients smells, but it is done at this point. Just look at that. Now you have yourself your poached chicken as well as some delicious chicken broth. This is perfect for you to cook your rice. I actually used this already. I used it to make jollof. When I made that jollof that day, I made jollof with grilled chicken. So it went on the grill. I wasn't going to get any stock or drippings from the chicken, so it was perfect for that purpose. And our chicken breast, just look at that. So I'm now going to bring them out of the water and set it aside to cool. So if you are making this ahead, you could put your chicken like way ahead, maybe on a separate day, chill it in the fridge, and then continue later. But since I'm going to be making everything in one day, I'm still going to go ahead and let this cool off a little bit and let it go in the fridge whilst I prepare the rest of my ingredients. And this, like I told you, I just strained it and then saved it in the fridge until I needed it to make my jollof, and how delicious it was. So simple. Perfect for making your baby food also. So to start our actual salad, I have here some walnuts. I love walnuts. You could use any nuts that you like, but walnuts in your chicken salad is delicious. And so I'm toasting it just so it brings a little bit more crunch, and it being toasted brings out some extra aroma and flavor to your salad. So it's all done, and we'll focus on the rest of our ingredients. Just cut up into halves, grape and nuts. So just like more like fruits and nuts in my chicken salad. I find it to be very, very good. So okay, so this is about all you need, just about half a cup. So I'm going to use scallions. So I'm using scallion for color. I want some green in here. You can use any kind of onion, red, white onion. So far as that is what you like. Definitely, if you want your chicken salad to compete with the ones in your favorite deli, then you surely need to add some celery. So I have 3 stalks of celery here. I am just trimming it. And now I'm going to make some slices into it to make some celery sticks, after which I will chop them up. Of course, everything has been thoroughly washed already and dried, because this is the salad. You don't want any vegetable to have some water or moisture on it. You want it to be as dry as possible. So I'm dicing it. Dice it as smaller or as bigger as you want them to be. You are going to eat it. You know how much you like your vegetables or how you like them. I really like celery, but nowhere close to my husband. So I'm adding about a cup of that in here. Feel free to use more or less. So my chicken is cold now, or cooled, and I'm just going to cut it up into dices. You want your chicken breast to be very cold. So this came straight from the fridge. I let it be in the fridge the whole time I was prepping the rest of the ingredients. And now you're just trying to make beautiful cubes out of it. just like this. So transfer your beautiful cubes into a bowl. And you know what? That chicken breast in my freezer, you could use canned chicken breast as well. I totally forgot about that. I told you, I really hoarded food when all this started. I was just trying to be prepared. Add in my grape now, scallions. I have here some cranberry or craisins. These are dried cranberries. I love it in my chicken salad and my tuna salad. My celery, walnuts, toasted of course. And this is my mayonnaise. If you are really trying to be fit fam, you could use Greek yogurt. Salt, remember that salt that I put in the chicken, pretty much just seasoned the stock. So yes, so if you think it's too much salt, it really isn't. I have here some Dijon mustard. Add some peppercorns. So I'm just using some fresh black pepper, grinding about half a teaspoon in there. And now for us, the Mixers and Stirrers Association members, this is our favorite part. You get to mix and mix and mix until everything is beautifully combined. So go ahead and do that. So this is the final consistency you want to have. And is this not just beautiful? Just look at that. Totally delightful, delicious, beautiful. This, I tell you, your favorite deli chicken salad has nothing on this. You are in serious competition, deli salad. Now tell me, how easy is this? This is so easy. You college students, busy working people who love to buy sandwiches, why don't you just make this? Leave it in your fridge in an airtight container, and every morning or every night before you go, you prep your salad for work. This, I know, it's going to save you a ton of money. And you know what is in your salad. You can regulate the quantity of ingredients you want in there. Just look at how beautiful this is. I hope you try this. This is pure indulgence. You can have it in a sandwich if you are fit farm, which I am not, obviously. You could have it like this. For my fit farm people, you could have it like that. So good. For us, the not so fit farm, this is how we will do it. Just load it on there. Yes, all you need is your favorite bread. You can use rye bread, this whole grain bread, sugar bread. I actually baked bread the next day, so the rest of the time we used my homemade bread. Just delicious. And how beautiful is this? Now, do they even make it this beautiful in the deli for you? Maybe not. And now you just want to slice it. That is, if you want it 2 pieces, or you just want to eat everything in whole. But I just think it's more beautiful and presentable this way. Is this not just beautiful? Simple, beautiful, delicious homemade sandwich. I know you can do this. So my husband and I actually had a half a piece each, and how delicious it was. Well, half a piece because we also had a half of a wrap each, okay? Yes, I love wraps too. So we just add some lettuce here as well. Sometimes I actually go ahead and add on here some sliced apples, just very thinly sliced apples, and then just put it over the lettuce. Then just pile your chicken salad over it and wrap it up. You'll be amazed at how something simple and actually homemade can be that delicious. You might even get a little bit ambitious and think you can run your own salad, chicken salad or a deli actually. But don't be that ambitious, okay? It's not that easy to run a business. But you can. And so here we are. I've sliced it. Beautiful gorgeousness. I know this makes you want to eat it. Thanks for watching. I really hope you try this. Give me a thumbs up and please share this video. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, Be loving, be kind, be happy.